Hello everyone, it's Darla, Scrap Happens here, and I'm bringing you into my crafting world. I've been working on cleaning it and organizing it for all the upcoming activities that we're gonna have, and I just wanted to show you how it's turned out. I've reorganized. First, I'm gonna start with my bathroom. Everybody loves my bathroom. I don't know why, but they do. Because I think there's just so much to see in it. My magnet collection and part of my Heart Rock collection. I'm going to back out. And then I'm going to walk you into my craft room. I love red, white, and blue. I love the American flag. I'm still decorated for the 4th of July. I'll be changing to fall soon, but I will keep up a lot of my flags. Here is a sign that a friend painted for me. Scrap Happens here. Here's where it's happening. Okay. And as you enter into my happy space, I have my card samples on my cabinets. My husband built these cabinets. Well, he built this whole workshop for me. But he built these cabinets out of a tree that was in our deck. It's a really great story. Ask me sometime and I'll tell you about it. Okay, so this is my workspace. All of my inks, my die cutting machine, my papers. Oh, this is my scrap paper, and you can see this box needs to be organized. So I have it all organized by color, and I have labels to put on it, and then people can use scraps at my retreats or play dates or whatever, and they get to use those for free. Here is my embossing station and all of my stamping blends. More paper, some kits and books with ideas, old projects. These are some retired stamps that I'm not parting with, so they're not in my little tack room that I've turned into a store now that Kate's taken her horse off to college. Let's see. Another workspace for my Big Shot. Oh, those are some swap cards that I need to share with you all. These are some old swaps that I shared with you already. 3D swaps. My little ice maker. And I'm collecting the $1 Million stamp sets. These are some that I have. I have to get the others. Some 3D art. Coffee cups. Then I have a little coffee station with my Keurig and some water bottles. A little fridge. These are this is mostly for my retreat. There's my Kirby keepsake box collection. Do you remember those? I got on a really crazy, wild hooked on those. I'm a Giants fan, so my signs for Giants games. My 12 by 12 paper pumpkin kits and other kits. These are some signs that my daughter made her senior year in high school, but my son, Adam, who was killed in a car wreck at 16, he was a huge fan of all things Marvel, so I kept him with him. This is kind of his little memory area. I have his block. It was the end of his junior year, so see, these are some retired things that I'll be putting on eBay. And this is our eating area. So I have this all set up. I moved these tables from where they were to under the windows so that it won't be as crowded. And all these vases were from my grandmother. I love all the different colors. Here's some projects that I need to do, kits that I need to finish up. from old classes. And then, oh, this is my class from last month and some orders I need to deliver. And that box is full of stuff to put in my travel trailer so I can have ink and things like that. More paper. This is the other view. And then this is my room with all my tables. This is not how I'll set it up for classes. But this is how I have it set up for our praise and worship meeting tomorrow night. So, but for classes, I will put the chairs on the other side. I don't know. I'm figuring that out. For retreats, I'm going to just remove those center tables and then just have them go around the room so that, or bring it in a little bit to make it a little more intimate so we're all facing each other. I have very small, intimate retreats, 10 or less people, and everybody gets a 6-foot table. So this is my room. I'm super excited to share. Oh, this is all of my current Stampin' Up! Stuff. Oh, and then this little corner, I have to keep it separated. This is all our online exclusive stuff. These are all my buttons from Stampin' Up! Events and trips that I've earned. And these cool buttons, our town does a different 4th of July theme button every year. And it's like your ticket to get in to get breakfast. And I just collect the buttons, so I love it. So that's it. It's my happy place. I hope you'll join me sometime for classes or retreats or just a play date where we get together. Oh, another really cool thing I love about it is because I have this above space above my cabinets, I was able to, oh, one of my daughter's pieces fell down, put my kids' artwork up there, but I also have some stuff from my mom and dad that I would have gotten rid of because of space, but like I have their old music, and I don't know if I can zoom in on there. Glenn Miller, mood music. Probably some Lawrence Welk. Yep, there's Lawrence Welk. His old projector. And just some fun treasures. Kids' artwork clock. This is the life, and truly it is. Oh, and my mini split. I love that. I'm so thankful for that on hot days and cold days. And that's it. Thanks for letting me share my happy place today with you. Have a wonderful day. And I'll be back next week with a Tuesday's tip, but this week I'm still cleaning and getting ready for classes. Have a great day, and thanks again for stopping by. Bye.